Hey tech fans! Big news for Google Wallet users in the US. PayPal support is getting the boot. What does this mean for your payments? Welcome to GadInsider. Let's break it down. Google Wallet is dropping PayPal for US users starting June 13th. And if you've got recurring payments set up, you need to hear this. Stick around to find out what's changing and how to stay ahead. Alright, let's dive into the details. Google Wallet just announced it's cutting back PayPal support for US users starting next week, June 13th. According to an update in Google's support docs, any PayPal accounts linked to Google Wallet will be automatically removed on that date. Yep, poof, gone. Here's the backstory. Google stopped letting users add new PayPal accounts to Google Wallet back on April 11th. If you already had a PayPal account linked before then, you've been able to use it as normal until now. According to reports that after June 13th, those linked accounts are history. Now here's the critical part. If you've got recurring payments like subscriptions or auto bills set up through PayPal and Google Wallet, they'll stop working after June 13th. You'll need to set up a new payment method to keep things running smoothly. Don't get caught off guard. Here's the twist. You can still add PayPal branded debit cards to Google Wallet and those will work just fine. So if you're a PayPal fan, that's a workaround to keep using your funds. One bummer. After June 13th, your PayPal transaction history won't be available in Google Wallet anymore, so if you need those records, grab a screenshot or check your PayPal account directly. Here's a quick note. This change only affects US users. If you're in Germany, you're in the clear. PayPal support will continue as usual for you. Why is Google doing this? They haven't spilled the tea, but it could be a move to streamline their platform or focus on other payment options. Whatever the reason, it's a big shift for PayPal users in the US. So, are you affected by this PayPal shakeup? Got a plan for your recurring payments? Drop a comment below and let us know how you're handling it. Want to stay on top of tech updates like this? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the GadInsider crew. Don't miss out.